All right, so I wanted to show you guys how you can really take a good look at how much time it's taking to do everything in your business and how to do that using Clickup. Okay, they have a really simple addition in Clickup called dashboards, which basically you can use to get a clear picture. Not only can you get an idea of just like how much time people are spending, working during their shift, for example. I mean, that's one thing if you're trying to just monitor to make sure everybody's being productive. But the other part of it is trying to see how much time is being spent on certain tasks or in a certain department. So right here, we have our normal spaces where we can see different departments and those tasks. So first, once you get these set up, okay, this is the key to it. So say we have our operations here and we have a folder within that set up for Amazon listings, Amazon campaign startup, email and follow-up, maybe with our clients, new initiatives.